If you're planning a trip outside the US, you're going to want to check out this travel adapter. I'm going to answer all the questions you could possibly have about this and show you everything that it comes with. This is the device itself right over here. Right off the bat, you can see you could do two USB-Cs, and then you got the USB 2 outlets right over here. Can you charge multiple devices at the same time? The answer is yes, you can charge multiple devices at the same time. It also comes with this built-in plug right over here to charge a USB-C device. I think that's a nice touch because you get these right here that you can plug direct, but if this is plugged in to an outlet, you could use this as a charger as well. I know the new iPhones have the USB-C as well, and a lot of Samsung products do as well. So let's take a closer look right over here. This is exactly what it looks like in the palm of my hands. Kind of fits in the palm of my hand. So pretty compact, easy to travel with. It comes in this carrying case right over here. Easy to throw in our backpack. You got directions up here. You could probably store some other stuff in here. Maybe some charger cords or stuff like that. And then these are all your attachments right over here. Everything is labeled. See right over here. You can see it says type G right over here. This is probably better. So it says type G right over here. So all you got to do right over here is you see this back here. You're just going to push that down and then you basically slide this in. Really, really easy to do. It's hard to do with my left hand because I'm a righty. Once it's snapped in like that, it is good to go. It's not coming out or moving anywhere, which is nice. So it's nice, safe, and secure. Some of the other ones where you just push in and out, sometimes they don't stay. But to get this out, we're just going to push this back down right over here. And then we're just going to slide that out. So you got 2, 4, 6 different types here. We got the pin right over here. We have this one. We have the standard kind of one over here. We have standard US over here. So pretty much any kind of country you would need is in here. Like the fact that it comes compact in here. And there's a nice little pad right over here, so you don't have to worry about them kind of like anything happening to them. You'll see it zippers up nice, pretty flat, not hard at all to take with you. Super lightweight. Also really like the fact that it comes with this traveling case. I've seen other ones that you get and it's literally just a plug and a box and everything is loose. So you'd have to put in like a Ziploc bag or something. At least you get a nice little, I wouldn't say this is a hard case. It's not a soft case either, but nice case overall. So if you're going on a trip and looking for a travel adapter that can suit just about any need, definitely check this out.